Welcome to OpenMRS. I, Deepa Gano, would walk you through this tutorial as to how to use Export CCD module. The Continuity of Care document is an electronic document exchange standard for sharing patient summary information. Summaries include the most commonly needed information about the current and past health status in the form that can be shared by all computer applications, including the web browsers, EMRs, and the EHRs. This project is to support OpenMRS' ability to generate patient clinical summary using the CDA architecture. In this project, we have used the predefined runtime API provided by MDH Tools to generate the CCD format of the patient clinical summary. As an admin, you need to log into the system using your admin username and password. Then you need to go to administration, where you would see that I have currently installed this module. Whenever you generate a CCD format, all the information about the patient, be it his vital sign data, his social history, his family history, his allergy history, all the data goes into specific categories. In OpenMRS, the data model does not support these categories. The OpenMRS captures all this data in the form of concepts, and therefore we need to insert these concepts, or we need to group these concepts into the categories of the CCD. That is, we have to configure each CCD section to understand which concept it has to take. Now we have got several sections of CCD which we can configure. The first one being the vital sign data. Now here I have a predefined group called as vital signs, which is there in my OpenMRS installation. This vital signs is nothing but a concept set which groups the height, the weight, the BMI, all these concepts of a particular patient. Apart from inserting this particular concept set, I also want that blood typing, which is a single concept, should also be configured as a part of vital signs section. That means apart from using all these concepts, I would also want to use the blood typing concept and would want to export the entire information into my CCD. In the similar manner, you can configure your social history section, your lab results section, your plan of care, as well as the concepts which you want to include in your family history. I would just do that. I would include alcohol per day in my social history. I would like to use my CD4 count in my lab section, whereas in the plan of care I would like to make use of the next scheduled visit as well as referrals to any other thing. Here let me choose it as referral for imaging study. In the family history there is a predefined concept set, so I would just configure it. Whatever I have captured in this section, all these things would appear in the CCD format. Now I would go to the export patient summary and type the name of the patient whose history I want to generate. I will just click on export patient summary. It gets generated in the form of an XML. This is how the XML of the person looks like. You can take this XML and exchange it with any other system. Thank you for watching this video.